What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how I make this Southwestern vegan oil-free dressing by another YouTuber, which her name is Healthy Vegan Mama. I will put her channel down in the description, but I got this recipe from her and I have never tried it, so this will be my first time trying it with you guys. You know, I like to try things with you all and let you know my honest opinion. So I put it on top of my bowl. I'm going to give it a try, but let me show you how to make it. Alright, you guys, I am so ready to make this recipe. And you guys, these are all of the ingredients that I will be using. I will, of course, be using my BlendJet 2, the 32 ounce today. And all of these ingredients are easy to find except for the PB2. I actually had to order that from Amazon. You guys, I've had the PB peanut butter before, but never the cashew powder. But this PB2 cashew powder, like I said, I ordered it from Amazon and I got the bigger bottle. I think this is like 20 ounce, but it is less fat than your regular cashews. And like I'm showing you the ingredients, it's just cashew powder, nothing else added. I will be using tahini, some salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and also some maple syrup. So yeah, easy ingredients. Let's get started. The first ingredients to this recipe is the PB2 cashew powder, and I will be adding half a cup of that to the blender. The next ingredient I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of tahini. Next, I'm adding 3/4 cups of water. The next ingredient I'm adding is half a teaspoon of maple syrup. One teaspoon of garlic powder. A half a teaspoon of onion powder. One ingredient that I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video is apple cider vinegar. I will be adding 2 teaspoons of this to the blender as well. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And last but not least, I'm going to add some salt, which I'm not measuring. I'm just adding to my desired amount. All right, now that we add all of the ingredients, it's time to blend it up. So I gave it 2 cycles, and before I pour it onto my rice and my veggies, I want to give it a little taste first. Not bad, I can dig it. Just grab me a container to pour it in so that I can have me some sauce for later on this week. Alright, time to pour it on. It looks delicious. Alright, the moment I've been waiting for. Time to give it a taste. Taste too bad. It's pretty good. I may need to add a little more salt or a little more maple syrup, but other than that, I can do it. It doesn't taste bad. Great job, Healthy Vegan Mom. This is something really good I can add to my dish because sometimes it be dry and I be wanting some kind of sauce, so it works out great. Alright, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. Another simple and easy recipe to make. If you guys like this kind of content, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know to make more videos like this for you all. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to click that bell so you know the next time I will upload another video. That's going to be it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.